Grow long, thick hair using fresh bell pepper. Simple home remedy you can start right now. Imagine the scent of crisp peppers filling the room. Visualize each strand drinking in lively energy. Today I'll show a pepper oil to help slow shedding. Stay with me, each step is quick and low cost. First, take a bell pepper and wash it well. Rinse away dirt so nothing irritates your scalp. Pepper mixed with olive oil feeds follicles and roots. Many find it jumpstarts growth in a short time. Grate the pepper finely to release its juices. The more surface area, the richer the infusion. Bell pepper helps protect the scalp from problems. A calmer scalp supports fuller, denser hair. Add a small cup of olive oil to the grated pepper. Oil draws out nutrients and coats every strand. Choose extra virgin olive oil pure, no salt added. Quality oil keeps its vitamins and antioxidants. Olive oil brings vitamin E that defends against loss. It also reduces breakage while you detangle. Set the bowl in hot water for about 15 minutes. Gentle heat helps the pepper goodness enter the oil. Olive oil carries minerals like magnesium and zinc plus B vitamins. These support scalp balance and healthier growth. Pour the warm mixture into a clean glass bottle and seal. Keeping air out preserves the infusion longer. Pepper's vitamin C helps reduce breakage and dullness. Stronger strands keep lengthless snaps, more body. Vitamin C also aids iron absorption in hair cells. Better iron use can reflect in thicker-looking hair. Leave the sealed bottle in a dark place for 1 full week. Infusion time lets oil pull deeper plant actives. After a week, strain out the pepper pieces to get the oil. You'll see a greenish growth blend liquid nutrition. Apply pepper oil on your scalp and down the strands. Use fingertips in circles over thinning spots. Leave the oil on your hair for about 1 hour. Longer contact means more nourishment time. Use this recipe 2 to 3 times each week. Consistency is what brings visible change. Dry, brittle hair drinks in olive oil's fatty acids. Pepper adds a mild warmth that energizes roots. Spread the mixture from roots to ends for full coverage. Comb through gently to distribute if hair is thick. Repeat the pepper oil treatment 3 times weekly. Regular care helps you see a fuller result. Recipe 2. Boost length and thickness fast. We'll mix rice power with tea for a scalp tonic. Add 1 tablespoon of rice to a small saucepan. Rice starch can smooth strands and add volume. Rice water is loved for thickening and fighting thinning. Its amino acids help support fragile hair. Add 2 tea bags, green or black, your choice. Tea infuses antioxidants that wake up the scalp. Tea may encourage growth and reinforce follicles. Tannins help cut excess oil that can clog roots. Either green or black tea works to thicken look quickly. Use what's in your kitchen. Freshness matters most. Pour in 1 cup of water over rice and tea. We're brewing a nutrient rinse for every strand. Place the saucepan on the stove and bring to a boil. Stir so rice releases its milky goodness. Simmer until the water turns cloudy and fragrant. That haze means starch and tea are in the water. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Warm, never hot, makes it safe for your scalp. Strain out the rice and tea to collect the liquid. This concentrated rinse becomes our hair tonic. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle or applicator. Spraying helps coat roots evenly and quickly. Use on damp hair after washing or before styling. Leave it in 20 minutes, then rinse if you like. Rice and tea together can reduce shedding over time. Use several times a week for best support. Recipe 3. A deeper treatment using onion and oil. Great when hair loss feels stubborn or severe. Wash a fresh onion. Remove any dirt or dry skins. Clean pieces mean a cleaner final oil. Onion is rich in sulfur, the beauty mineral. Sulfur supports keratin, collagen, and scalp comfort. Use any onion color, red, white, or yellow all work. Each shares sulfur compounds helpful for hair. Cut the onion in half to expose more surface. More surface lets nutrients move into the oil. Onion extract is a classic home hair remedy. Many people report thicker regrowth with use. Place the grated onion in a clean glass jar. Glass doesn't hold odors the way plastic can. Drop in green or black tea bags for extra strength. Tea antioxidants complement onion's sulfur punch. Add 2 tea bags right over the onion slices. Press them down so the oil can soak through. Tea is a trusted ally against many hair problems. It helps refresh the scalp and reduce buildup. Pour in extra virgin olive oil to cover the onion. Oil draws sulfur into a scalp-friendly infusion. Pour in about 150 milliliters of olive oil. Add enough to fully cover onion and tea. Olive oil nourishes and protects scalp skin. It adds shine while easing dryness and flaking. Close the jar tightly and store in a dark place for 7 days. Shake daily so everything infuses evenly. After 7 days, the onion tea oil is ready. Time to strain and collect the liquid gold. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cloth. Discard solids. Keep the nutrient-rich oil. You now have a potent onion and tea extract. Let's apply it correctly for best results. How to apply this growth oil to your hair? Follow these simple steps and be consistent. Warm the oil gently in a double boiler first. Warmth helps spread and improves absorption. Apply along the scalp, then work down the strands. Use fingertips or a nozzle bottle for control. Massage your scalp with slow circles of your fingers. This boosts circulation and relaxes tension. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap. Trapped warmth pushes the oil deeper in. Leave the oil on for about 1 hour, then shampoo. If hair is dry, you can extend up to 2 hours. Repeat the onion tea treatment twice each week. Regular use builds thickness, shine, and strength. Expect early softness and less shedding within a week. Fuller looking growth comes with patient use.